In this video, I am going to cover the price trends in eastern part of Hyderabad. And eastern part of Hyderabad has mainly grown because of the Warangal Highway and the Yadagiri Gutta. And also some development has happened because of the Madaram IT Park announcement. So towards the Warangal Highway, if you see, the main prime area is Gadkesar, BB Nagar, Aushapur, and other areas like Bongir and Yadagiri Gutta. So coming to the price trends in Gadkesar. Gadkesar is a well-developed village with a railway station. So the price range for all the HMDA ventures here is around 20 to 25,000, as the connectivity to this well-developed village is good. And coming to the other areas connecting to this village is Kondapur. So in Kondapur the price range is around 20,000 for HMDA ventures, since the connectivity is through Gadkesar, and the Kondapur village connects to the other part of the city through Kisara Bogaram. So, so towards Bogaram we have direct connectivity, and from Bogaram it will connect to Kisara. And coming to the other locations in Bogaram, the price range is around 15 to 18,000 for HMDA ventures, as it is close by to Kisaragutta. And coming to the other ventures near Kisara, the price range is around 20,000 to 22,000, as the connectivity to Kisara is good to the outer ring road, as there is an exit here, and also the Kisara village is close to the Kisara Gutta. And coming to the other parts of the Warangal highway, we have villages like Nemargamla and Kondamadgu. So the price range around Nemargamla village is around 15,000, as it is around 2 to 3 kilometers from the highway. And there is a connectivity road from Kondapur to Nemargamla. In this road there are many ventures coming up, and the price range in this ventures is around 12 to 15,000, as it is having good connectivity to Kondapur. But the only problem is there is no direct connectivity to the Warangal highway. Either we need to go through this Nemargamla road or through Kondapur Gadkesar and go to Warangal highway. Coming to the other part of Warangal highway, we have NFC Nagar, which is a well developed colony with good infrastructure like good schools, colleges, and other facilities available. And the price range here is around 25,000 in the colony, and nearby colony we have other ventures where the price range is around 15 to 18,000. And coming to the other villages connecting to NFC Nagar is Ankushapur village. In Ankushapur village many HMDA ventures have come up, and the price range is slightly on the lower side because of the connectivity. There is a railway track coming in between the Warangal highway and the Ankushapur, so the road to connecting to it is very narrow, but it is a 100 feet proposed road, but still the connectivity is poor, so that's why the price range is slightly on the lower side. We can see many HMDA ventures coming up here, and also the old HMDA ventures are also there. The price range is around 15 to 16,000, based on the connectivity to this Ankushapur to Enkirial village. Coming to the other ventures, like we have some of the ventures which are old, like Narayan City Estate, and another other part of the Warangal highway we have BB Nagar. In BB Nagar many HMDA ventures have come up recently, and also there are many old ventures towards the this Rahim Khan Guda and also the Brahmanpalli, and the price range is around 10 to 12,000 near Rahim Khan Guda, and other parts of the city where Padamati Somaram also we have the price range around 12,000. The price range is on the lower side because of, again, because of the railway track near BB Nagar. There is a railway station, but the connectivity to BB Nagar to Warangal highway is through this flyover. Since the flyover is slightly narrow, the connectivity will be slightly poor. That's why the HMDA ventures have a slightly lower price, and also the this area is around 6 to 7 kilometers from the outer ring road. Coming to the other part of Warangal highway, we have villages like Kondamadgu, Mahadevpura, where the price range is around 15,000, as the connectivity to Warangal highway is around 3 kilometers, and it is a newly developed area with less infrastructure, so it would take some time for development. And there are some other ventures towards the this road called Sierra Health City and Sierra Group, and the price range here is around 12,000, since the connectivity to Warangal highway is again far away. Uh, Coming to the other part of Warangal highway, you have toll plaza here. After toll plaza, you can see Gudur village. In Gudur village, there are some HMDA ventures with price range around 12 to 13,000. Again, the price range has dropped because of this toll plaza. So as we need to cross through this toll plaza to reach Gudur village. And there are some ventures in Pagidipalli and also Anantaram village, where the price range is around 15,000, as it is far away from outer ring road, around 8 to 10 kilometers from outer ring road exit. And if you go far away from Anantaram, we can see Bongiri village. In Bongiri village, it's already well developed because of Yadagiri Gutta, and the price range is around 15 to 16,000 in good areas, and in remote locations it is around 10,000. And if you go towards if you cross Bongiri, you can see Raigir and Vangapalli village. The price range here is around 10,000, little far away from the Warangal highway, but if it is close by to Warangal highway, the price range is around 12 to 15,000. And again, coming back to outer ring road exit, there are some other areas which are close by to the outer ring road, like the Ganpur and also Edulabad. In Edulabad is also a well-developed area, but it would take some time for development, and the connectivity is good, since this road goes through Edulabad to Vijayawada highway, and the price range is here is around 12 to 15,000, as it is 5 to 6 kilometers far away from Warangal highway. And the price range in Ghanpur village is around 20,000 because of the good connectivity to Warangal highway as the outer ring road. And coming to the other areas like Bogaram and also Karimguda, the price range is high because of the connectivity, and also it is within the outer ring road limit. And coming to the other exit of ORR, Chirial village is there. Chirial village, the price range is around 20 to 25,000 because of the connectivity, and also it is close proximity to Nagaram and ECL. ECL is around 7 kilometers from Chirial village, and also Kisarai is close by around 5 kilometers from Chirial village.